Hello there, welcome to our Project 5 discussion board application demonstration. My name is Emily Sam, and for the first part of our code, I'll be talking through our main menu GUI functionality. So by running the server class first and then the client class, the main menu screen pops up. You can see we have a few different buttons here that I'll walk you through, but let's start with creating a new account. I can enter a new username, let's call this one student1, and a password, let's call this pass1. Then I can select the type of account I want, in this case main menu student, which is another class my friend Lila is going to be talking more about later. Similarly, we're going to be creating a second student account real quick just for the purposes of this demonstration, so we're just going to be doing this over again. Next, we're going to be making a teacher account in the same way with a username teacher and a password pass. This successfully takes us to the teacher main menu when choosing the account, which Carmen will talk more about here in a second. Users can also change their password, so let's change the teacher's password from pass to teacher pass. So by doing this, we enter in the original username, the original password, and the preferred new password. To test this, we're going to press the login button in just a sec and try out this new password to see if it allows us to get back to teacher main menu, which it does successfully. The last thing I'll show you how to do is to delete an account. So in order to do so, you would click the button and you would enter the username and password of the account you wish to delete, and it should delete the account from our data. So to test this, we're going to try logging in with that account that we just deleted. And as you can see, we got an invalid user and or password alert, which means it no longer exists. Now I'll hand it over to Carmen to talk you through the next section.
Hi, my name is Carmen Del Mastro, and I will be walking you through the main menu teacher class. First, let's use the teacher account that Emily created, and let's log in. Now that we are on the teacher's main menu, you can see 5 different buttons that are completely functional. First, let's create a course. By clicking the Create a Course button, users can enter the name of the course that they would like to create, and I'll call this course CS 180. Now, let's create a discussion form so students have something to respond to. By clicking Manage Courses, a drop-down box of all of my courses are displayed. After choosing CS 180 and by clicking the Create Discussion Form button, I can enter a question for students to respond to. And you can write any question that you would like. And then after you press the OK button, you are done. Now, if we tried to grade a student right now, the program will prompt you to enter a course and a forum when you press the button, but nothing further will actually happen because nobody has replied to the discussion forum yet. As you can see, we have error messages to handle these situations. And now lastly, I'll log out of the main menu, and I'll let Lila show you how this looks from the student's perspective.
Hi there, my name is Lila Denton, and I'll be walking you through main menu student. First, let's go ahead and use the account that Emily created earlier and log in as a student. As you can see, main menu student has 4 functional buttons. Let's go ahead and start by joining the course that Carmen created earlier. So if you click Join a Course, and then select CS 180 from the dropdown, and then the message pops up showing that I've successfully joined the course. Now I'm also able to go to the discussion board. By clicking the discussion board button, I can once again choose CS 180 and the forum that Carmen created, and then press OK. As you can see, the discussion board pops up. However, Dane is going to talk to you about the functionality of the discussion board in a second. So for now, I'll return back to the main menu and show you how to check grades. Right now, if I click the View Grades button, my grade is displayed as a 0% just because I haven't responded to the discussion forum, nor has a teacher gone in to grade my post. But this is where it would eventually be updated. Lastly, I can also log out to the main menu, but I'm going to let Dane hop in real quick and show you the functionality of the discussion board first.
Hi, my name is Dane Schaefer, and I'll be showing you how the discussion board works. From the main menu student, we can click the discussion board button. As you can see, after prompting the user for a course and form, this takes us right to the discussion board for students. The topic is clearly displayed at the top so students know which question to answer. There are also buttons along the bottom to help students navigate. First, let's reply to the topic. By clicking the Reply to Topic button, students simply enter the response to the question, and it is displayed on the discussion board. Each response is labeled with the username of the student, a timestamp, upvotes, and comments. For the sake of time, I'll quickly add a few more comments Students can upvote other responses by clicking the Upvote button. After upvoting, you can see the values are updated in real time. Students also comment on other replies by clicking the Comment button. In order to view the comments, simply go to the desired reply and click View Comments, and you can see them all displayed here. There are also arrow buttons on the bottom to help users navigate between pages. Our program won't let you go back or forward if no pages remain. Lastly, I can return to the main menu and log out by clicking the Log Out button. Now, Bernie is going to talk about this from the teacher's perspective.
Hi, my name is Bernie Gandon, and I'll be talking about the dashboard for teachers. First, we can back into the teacher account that Emily created a while back. Then, by clicking the View Dashboard button, our program prompts you to choose a course and forum from a drop-down box. After clicking OK, the dashboard pops up. This is where teachers can see the latest action from the discussion board. This simply displays the students' posts, comments, and votes for each reply. Now, if we click back to main menu and click Manage Courses, we can view the dashboard from a teacher's perspective. This is the same concept that Dane just explained to you all, so I won't go too in depth. Teachers can comment and upvote just like students can. The only difference is that teachers do not have the ability to reply to the discussion forum since they created it and they cannot import a reply either. Other than that, it is exactly the same. Now we can click the back button, log out, and exit the program.